To start our first round of brick stitch, we load 2 beads onto the needle. To work at the crease, we insert the needle not under the first thread bridge, but under the second, moving from back to front. In this way. We pull the thread all the way through. As you can see, however, the beads are not yet aligned, so we perform a series of steps. We go back into the second bead, then down into the first, in this way, and back up into the second, and pull the thread tightly. As you can see, the beads are completely aligned and sit slightly inward compared to the row below in blue, precisely because we made a decrease. From now on, we will continue by inserting 1 bead at a time, moving under the thread bridge to complete our row. So, bead onto the needle, we go under the first available bridge from back to front and pull the thread all the way through and pass through the bead again to align it with the others. We load a new bead and continue in the same way until the row is complete. Our new decreasing row is complete, and as you can see, the turquoise beads on both the right and left is sit a bit more inward compared to those in the row below. To make an increase, we again load 2 beads onto the needle, but this time we insert the needle right under the first bridge. We go back through our beads to align them, and pull the thread tightly. As you can see, the black bead sticks out more compared to the turquoise one underneath because we made an increasing row. To complete the row, we insert a bead onto the needle, go under the first bridge, and go back up through the new bead. We proceed in the same way until the row is complete. We have used up the available bridge, so to insert the last bead and make an increase on this side as well, we insert the needle into the turquoise bead below. And there we are. We have finished the decreasing row. Let's recap. In brick stitch, we begin by making a first chain of beads worked with ladder stitch. This way, we create thread bridges that allow us to build the following rows. If we are working on the crease, we skip one thread bridge and insert the needle under the next. If our pattern calls for reducing the next row by 2 beads, we will insert the needle not under the second thread bridge, but under the third, and so on. To make an increase instead, we insert the needle under the first available thread bridge. If we want to lengthen this row made with black beads, we need to add beads using ladder stitch. But to do that, we must first have the needle coming out of the last black bead. So, we need to to perform a series of steps underneath the work and come out with the thread in the correct position. So we go down into this blue bead and go back, go up diagonally until we exit in the right one, in this way. To increase, we load a new bead onto the needle and go back into the black one using a ladder stitch.